Hi, I'm Trinity, and behind the camera is my sister Dora, and she's Taryn, and over there playing is my little baby brother Robert. And today we will be finding stuff around the yard and trying to build stuff out of. Okay, let's go.
Alright, so we collected all the stuff that we need. Show us what you got, Taryn.
Pine, a rock, 3 sticks,
Okay.
and grass.
Why are you making that face? Anyways, show us what you got, Trin.
I got some pine and
All
3
right.
sticks.
Okay, so let's see. Go and try to build something. We'll see what you guys can build.
Okay.
Bubba, what are you?
Okay,
Goofball.
I'm gonna get all.
Your dirt. Did you find some dirt? Are you digging? Oh, be good. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go see how they're doing. How you doing, T?
Good, I think.
You think? I think you're doing good. It's looking good so far. Keep going. How you doing, Trin?
Good. What?
What are you trying to make?
Like a fort? It kind of looks like the Eiffel Tower, kind of.
Kind of. What are you trying to make, T?
There's like a little house for my rock.
A house for your rock?
Don't fall this time.
Be calm and try your best. Okay. We'll come back when you guys are done. What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna trade I'm gonna throw all my sticks away, and I'm gonna get all my rocks.
Alright. Well, we'll see how that works out. Say they're all done. Let's have a look. Oh, you can't touch it. Alright, Trin. So you made the Eiffel Tower out of sticks. That looks pretty good. Did a pretty good job. Move that like that, you think? Alright. What did you make, T?
I made a bed.
A bed for your rocks?
Yeah, and now this rock is trying to crawl into the bed. Now this rock is. Now this rock is. But it's not very comfortable, so. There, they can sleep right there.
Oh, I think the cat likes it.
Yeah, I can beat it attached to the bed.
Good job. High five.
Don't
High
worry.
five. Good job. Alright.
Comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and come and watch our next video to see more stuff you can do when you're stuck at home. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.